I already faced the whole.
Okay, so this is how you graph quadratic functions in factored form. Factored form. So when you first look at this question, you probably want to use the box method or the rainbow method or the FOIL method to put it back into standard form, but you do not have to. There's an easy way to do that. Only if you want to, you can do that. But for here, the first thing, okay, step 1, okay, we're going to find our x-intercept, okay? X-intercept is when y is equal to 0. X-intercept is when y is equal to 0. So I'm going to rewrite this equation. So we have 0 equals negative x plus 1, x minus 7. So then we know either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So if you solve for x, you're going to have x equals negative 1 because you're going to subtract 1 both sides. For this one, we're going to add 7 both sides. We're going to have x equals 7. So in ordered pair, we have negative 1, 0, because we said y is 0. And then we have 7, comma 0. Okay? Those are your x-intercepts. Okay? Obviously, when you graph it, it's on the x-axis. So then I'm going to plot those points, negative 1, 0, and then 7, 0, right here. Okay? So for quadratic functions, you know you're going to have a U-shape, either looking like this or looking like this, right? And the 2 points that we have are either going to be here or here, okay? Given that, you know that the axis of symmetry is right in the middle, okay? So step 2. We're going to get the axis of symmetry. Okay, given those 2 points, the axis of symmetry has to be right in the middle, so you can actually count from both sides, but you don't want to do that when I give you huge numbers. So we're going to add these two, okay, negative 1 plus 7, and we're always going to be dividing it by 2 because we have to get the halfway. So negative 1 plus 7, no, we're going to do it by hand, okay, negative 1 plus 7 should give you 6 divided by 2, and that gives you 3. So your axis of symmetry is x equals 3. Okay, we can graph this. It's always going to be a vertical line. Okay, and I'm going to have it as a dotted line because it's not the actual graph. It's only going to guide us to draw the U shape, which is the graph, okay? And then I'm going to get the vertex, step 3, vertex, okay? We already have the x of the vertex because vertex is xy. It has to be a point, and you know the x is 3. Now, to find the y when x is 3, we need to plug in the 3 into the equation. So y is equal to negative 3 plus 1, 3 minus 7. So then we're going to have negative 4 times negative 4. That's going to give me positive 16. So there goes your ordered pair, right? Your vertex is going to be 3, comma 16. Okay. So 3, comma 16 all the way up. Oh, that's going to be out of the range. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's around here. Okay. It has to be a U shape that goes through these 3 points. Okay, kind of like it. And that's it.